Hello everyone, today we are going to do experiment 5, which is kinetic experiment to investigate the effect of temperature and catalyst. The aim of this experiment is to determine the activation energy for the ionization of propanol. You will be provided with 3 solutions. The first one is Fa1, which is your propanol, Fa2, which is your hydrochloric acid, and Fa3, which is your iodine solution. Okay, so for the first part of experiment, you will prepare solution 1. Okay, so using a 10 cm3 measuring cylinder, add around 10 cm3 of Fa1, which is propanol, into a clean and dry boiling tube. Then, using another measuring cylinder, I will measure 10 cm3 of Fa2, which is my hydrochloric acid. Okay. So this Fa2 solution, I will also add to the same boiling tube. So this will be your solution 1. You need to prepare 2 sets of solution 1, which I had already prepared beforehand. Okay. Then for your next step, you need to prepare 2 sets of Fa3 solution. Okay. So for your first step, you need to rinse your test tube using a very small amount, around 2 cm3 of Fa3 solution, which is your iodine solution. So this amount will do. Okay. Then after that, you will rinse it down to a waste beaker. Okay. Then your next step is to use another measuring cylinder, okay, to measure 10 cm3 of your iodine solution. Then you will add this into your test tube that you already rinsed just now. Okay, so you also need 2 sets of this solution, which I also prepared beforehand. Okay, so now you are done with your preparation step. Okay guys, so for this experiment, you will be doing 2 runs of reaction. The first run will be conducted in a room temperature. Okay, so for your first step, you need to clamp the boiling tube containing your solution 1 to a retort stand. Okay, then you put a white towel behind the boiling tube. Okay, after that, you put a thermometer into the boiling tube. Okay, so for your next step, you prepare your stopwatch first. After that, you will need to add your Fa3 solution rapidly into your boiling tube. You will start the stopwatch about halfway your Fa3 solution has been added. Okay, so now I will add it in and start the stopwatch. Okay, so you will gently stir the mixture using your thermometer, and you will measure and record the initial temperature. Okay, this will be around 24 degrees Celsius. So you continue to stir the mixture and stop the stopwatch when the reaction mixture becomes colorless. Okay, then you will record the time in the table provided. Okay, you can see that the solution gradually becomes lighter and lighter. Okay. So once the solution becomes colorless, you will stop the stopwatch. Okay, record the time taken in the table and also record your final temperature. Okay, so this will be still around 24 degrees Celsius. Okay, so for your next step, you will take out your thermometer and rinse it with DI water. Okay, then dry it on a paper towel. Okay, this will conclude your run 1. Okay, so for the run 2 of this experiment, it will be conducted between your room temperature and 37 degrees Celsius. So first thing, you need to prepare a hot water bath using a 250 cm3 beaker. You mix tap water and also the hot water provided until you get a desired temperature. Okay, you can check the temperature using a thermometer. So this is around 33 degrees Celsius, okay, which is a good enough temperature. Okay, after that, I will put my hot water bath onto the retort stand. Okay, then for my next step, I will put the boiling tube containing solution 1 and into the hot water bath and clamp it to the retort stand. Okay, so I will also put the test tube containing my solution Fa3 into the same hot water bath. Okay, this is to make sure that all the solution and the reaction mixture has the same temperature. So I will put another thermometer into the boiling tube containing solution 1. Okay, and I will gently stir the solution so that the temperature between the hot water bath and the boiling tube is between 1 degree Celsius. Okay. While waiting for it, I will put a white towel behind the hot water bath. Okay. So I will continue to gently stir the solution. Okay. This process will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so now the temperature between the hot water bath and my boiling tube is within 1 degree Celsius. Okay, and I can begin my experiment. Okay, so first I will prepare my stopwatch. Okay, and for the next step, I will pour Fa3 solution rapidly into the boiling tube. Okay, and I will start the stopwatch about halfway where the Fa3 solution has been added. Okay, so here I have started my stopwatch, and I will gently stir the solution and take note of the initial temperature and record it down in the table provided. Okay, I will continue to stir the solution gently until the yellow color had disappeared. Okay, then I will stop my stopwatch. now the solution has become colorless and I stop the stopwatch. Okay, I will record the time taken in the table provided, and also I will measure and record the final temperature in the same table as well. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.